Welcome to the session on charting. First, you'll need to go to www.womb.online.com and then log into the Billings app. I'm going to be using Sarah as an example here. Sarah is the username and password. So you'll notice that in the middle of the screen you have dates needing completion and it only shows today's date. But Sarah learnt Billings 6 days ago. 6 days ago she had a meeting with her teacher, so you'll click here on set new start date and then choose the first date that, where you want your chart to begin. And on this first day she contacted her teacher, and let's say that she had no mucus, it was dry, so she would click on the green sticker, sensation, she'll say dry, and then I can click enter. On the second day, let's assume that she forgot what her signs were, she didn't write them down. You can just click ignore this date. Now a symbol here comes up, which means that she doesn't know what her signs were that day. So recording the next date, you have two options. You can either click record this date, or you can click on the icon down here. On this day, she had fertile mucus. She felt wet. Actually, first, let's just write nothing and see what happens. It says this field is required. So we have to write here, wet. And let's also assume that she had a headache. That's the comment for that day. And save. Now we notice the chart being formed here. And if you move the mouse over the pencil, it shows the comment. And if you move the mouse over the little phone here, it shows that the meaning of the blue phone is that she contacted a teacher on that day. The next day, she also had fertile mucus, so she felt wet. See here how the word wet is being prompted. It only prompts you with words that you have used before. And let's say that she's trying to get pregnant and she had intercourse on this day. Click save. The following day, she had infertile mucus. So she should put number 1. And sensation was sticky. And that's it, press save. So because we've gone from very fertile mucus to infertile mucus, we should go back and change the baby to a baby with an X. Save. Now today, Sarah had heavy bleeding. So we'll put the sticker for heavy bleeding, and because it's the first day of heavy bleeding, it's the start of her new cycle. And sensation was bleeding. Save. Now you'll notice here that the current chart changes from all the signs that we just put in to just today, because today is the first day of the current cycle. Now if you want to see last month's cycle, the last cycle, then click on chart history and on the down arrow, and then you can see the previous cycle. This concludes our session for charting. Thank you.